असांजो माल मरी वियो, सामान जेको हुयो लुड़ी वियो, घर किरी पियो, जेको हुयो कच्चो घर लकड़नि ते उहो बि किरी पियो, असांजो न बचो, का शइ बि न बची, असांजो ॾुखियो गुज़ारो थो थिए। हिकु ॾींहुं वेंदा आहियूं, हिकु ॾींहुं खाईंदा आहियूं भाॼी, बसि छा कयूं, ग़रीब आहियूं नी। असां इहो पंहिंजो रोज़गारी बि कोन्हे, न छा आहे, न स्कूल आहे ॿारनि खे, न को कुझु आहे, ईअं वेठा आहियूं असां। ॿारनि जी असांजी तबियत कंहिं महिल बुखार आहे, कंहिं महिल ज़ुकाम आहे, कंहिं महिल कीअं आहे, असांजी ईअं थी रहे। असांखे घर बि खपे, खाधो पीतो बि खपे, असां मजबूर आहियूं।
I'm in an area right now in Khairpur. This village had about 600 homes. There's only 150 left standing, and even those are damaged. You can see the remnants of some of the homes behind me that are being completely and utterly destroyed. But we are here building homes as quickly as we possibly can. In a few weeks' time, this family who are living in that shack, they'll be living in a brand new brick home. They'll have their own bathroom, they'll have their own kitchen, and they'll be safe and secure again. We are here on the ground right now in Pakistan, rebuilding Pakistan one brick at a time, one home at a time, for one family at a time. This home, which has just been built, and this family, this beautiful family, are just about to move in, as you can see. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. What an incredible moment. They've been telling us about the traumas and the difficulties they've been going through. And now all that's about to change. They've got a home that's safe and secure, with a door, with electricity, with lighting, where they can start to feel safe and secure again. This Ramadan, please, please, please come forward and build a home for our families, for our brothers, for our sisters in Pakistan with ILM.